Hi there. Today, we're checking out the 12-pack self-adhesive acoustic panels with a stylish hexagon design. These panels are made from high-density, flame-resistant polyester fiber that effectively absorbs sound and reduces echo. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the self-adhesive backing that sticks securely without extra glue or tape. Their hollow-out patterns not only improve acoustics, but also add a creative touch to any room. Perfect for studios, offices, or home theaters, these panels enhance sound clarity while protecting your walls. They're eco-friendly, odorless, and safe for everyone, including kids and pets. Upgrade your space with these versatile, sound-absorbing panels that combine function and style effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.